Hi there, welcome to my channel. I have a really simple yet useful laptop accessory for everyone to see today, and this is the Yezro laptop stand. I needed a better stand, something that was height and angle adjustable, so that whenever I streamed or Sugarberry Smash streamed, we can have our laptops at a better viewing angle to read our live stream comments. We use PlayStations to stream, so we don't have a PC with multiple screens set up here, so having a laptop is really useful for maintaining our Twitch or YouTube or whatever it may be. Also, my laptop used to be my main editing device, and I had it in the center with screens on each side. As we look at the back of the box and see a few examples, I wish I had a stand with this one's capabilities back then, because it would have made viewing angles way better and easier to see in my previous setup before I got a desktop. Anyway, I found this on Amazon, and as of the upload date of this video, it's $38.99 with a 5% off coupon, a bit pricier than most of the items that I have on my channel, but this is made out of aluminum, so as soon as we get this box open, I want to see how sturdy and heavy duty it actually is. For the sake of not having a lengthy video, I will speed up most of these portions 2 to 4 times faster starting now. And the first thing out of the box is actually a little sign-up card to get an extended warranty, so that's a nice little throw in, and this is really important. So this is the actual stand itself, and it feels really nice. But if you end up getting this specific brand and this model, there's an Allen wrench that they put inside of the box, so make sure to grab that because that's used to tighten the screws for really heavy things. But that shouldn't be an issue. It should be for extreme circumstances, and I just knocked on that right now so you can hear that's aluminum. But anyway, back to what I was saying. This thing can hold up to 44 pounds based off the Amazon listing. So for those who are thinking of getting a stand like this for heavier devices, hold on to that Allen wrench, but that's rather extreme, so I don't think many of us are going to put anything over 10 pounds on this stand. My gaming laptop is pretty hefty though, so I'm excited to try that out. Otherwise, the stand is nicely built. It's completely made out of aluminum, and the rubber feet on the bottom and on the portion that holds onto the laptop feel really good. I'm sure it'll prevent sliding. But to get the stand set up for better viewing angles, you always want to lift from the portion that protrudes a bit, and that's pretty much the part that secures your laptop from sliding off. So you always start there, and then after you lift that part up, you go to the top of the stand and you lift that portion, and that's how you can get that better viewing angle at whatever degrees you want to set it to. And for heavier devices, make sure to use that Allen wrench, but I think anything under 10 pounds will be pretty safe and secure on this stand. For those of you out there who want added security, they add this little column, and there's a little groove on the back portion of the top part of the stand, and it fits nicely in there and make sure that everything is secure if you want it at that viewing angle. So as soon as you get something heavy on there, it should rest nicely within that groove, so that column fits perfectly right there, and I appreciate that added safety measure. So during the opening segment of this video, I gave my reasons on what I'll be using this stand for, but there are other benefits as well too. And a big one is for laptop users who are usually hunched over all day while doing work or using their laptop for leisure. This gives you some added height and angles your laptop nicely to help with posture and neck and back pain, especially if you're like me and you're in front of a laptop or tablet all day. The other benefit is that this helps with airflow. The bottom is pretty much a giant cutout, and it should help with your laptop's ventilation. And then there's my reason. It's going to be great for streams and keeping an eye out on my YouTube studio stats and live chat. So sorry, getting sidetracked. Let's test out the laptops on this thing. So first, I have a 12-inch Chromebook, and this weighs about 3.27 pounds or 1.48 kilograms. So it's not too heavy or light. It's right in the middle for the average weight of most Chromebooks and laptops nowadays. So I'm gonna take it off the scale and just place it right on the stand, and everything's holding nice and secure. So here's a little wider angle. Opened up. The stand is pretty sturdy. You can see the bottom feet portion not moving at all, and I'm putting some force on there, and I'm surprised that I was able to open the Chromebook without the stand tipping over. It is at a pretty steep angle, but I'm gonna actually make it even more steep because I think when I stream, I'm gonna have my laptop at 180 degree, just open flat right there, just the way it is, so I can have a good viewing angle, so I can look over to my right, keep track of the chat, and everything is holding nicely in place. It's pretty much vertical and everything's being held. So the true test now is if I can change some settings on the fly, maybe type on the keyboard in a vertical state without the laptop or Chromebook tipping over on the stand. So Google Docs is open. I made the font a bit bigger, and this thing is holding up. So this thing is pretty much at a vertical state right now, and I'm typing and everything is pretty secure. That's really impressive. Wow. but the real test is this behemoth of a laptop right in front of us. This is my Dell Inspiron 7000. I forgot the model number. It's a gaming laptop from Dell from like 2017 or 18. So this is about twice the weight, 5.84 pounds, 2.65 kilograms, just a little bit under twice the weight. From the start, the main arm can't be at an extremely vertical position for this laptop, so some counterweight and balancing has to go on here. But I moved it just a little and it's still at a steep angle, and it's holding onto my 6-pound laptop with ease. So for those out there who may have an older device or a really big gaming laptop and it's pushing past the 10-pound mark, I'd highly suggest to use that Allen wrench and get the screws a little tighter. But for a 6-pound gaming laptop, it's holding really securely and nicely. So to continue to test the stability of this stand, I was able to open this big old laptop up while it was on the stand, and the stand held up. But now here's my other test. I'm going to actually angle it just a bit more, just off the front portion, so that arm is still at that same angle, but the laptop holder portion is more vertical than it was earlier. So if it can actually hold up the 6-pound laptop the same way it was earlier, then I'll be very impressed. And guess what? I am impressed. This is holding it up at an almost vertical state for the laptop holder portion. So that is very cool and nice to know, but I'm going to put it back just a little bit, just, for security reason. And we'll do the same test with a Word document, and there you go, just typing on it just in case I have to reply or change some settings if I don't have some sort of wireless keyboard or mouse to use. But it's holding up, and this stand is really good. I'm really impressed and excited for my next stream, but so far this thing has exceeded my expectations, and I'm gonna say that I highly recommend this Yezro laptop stand from Amazon. It has a great build, it's all aluminum, it folds up, and it's really portable. It also holds my huge gaming laptop with ease, and most importantly, it's really sturdy. So for those interested, I'll leave a link down below in the video's description. With that, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please feel free to check out these others. And for my usual viewers and subscribers, I now have channel memberships, and one of the perks is being added to my special shoutout page at the end of all of my videos. All of the names shown to the right are my awesome channel members, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So if you want to see your name added to that list, feel free to click that join button down below to learn more about my channel memberships. I'll see y'all soon. Please stay safe out there. Bye.